This is Ask Bid, Market Forensics. You know who I am. It is the kid, Mr. Wall Street, big guy, Don Wick, and this bitch doing it real big. And this is episode 5 of Market Forensics. We are going over the trader versus the charlatan. Yeah, this one's for you, Charlene. Ha ha! You performer, you. Yeah, welcome back to Market Forensics, the only show where we don't trade feelings, we trade facts. And today, we're dissecting the difference between a real trader and a stage performer in a fake broker costume. Yeah, newsflash, Charlene, Halloween is gone and came and went. It's time to get to the bare bones. Strap in. I'm not just exposing these charlatans, you fake trading influencers. I'm torching the whole stage they perform on. So by the time I'm done with market forensics, they're going to have to revamp their whole approach, take down all them videos. Yeah, yeah. You're going to have to take down the videos. You're not going to be able to survive after this monsoon that we bring to the industry. Let's talk about the actors of our industry. The simulation superstars. Yeah, that's you, Charlene. The influencers who don't place trades, they place filters and post screenshots that can be bought. You've been watching backtests and Gucci. You've been clapping for cosplayers. And today, we separate the real from the fake, the performers from the real market participants. This is Market Forensics, episode 5. Strap in. We're live. Let's break the illusion. So, this ain't a motivational rant or some Zoom or regular YouTube for views. This is a forensic roast because the line between education and deception is blurred. It's razor thin. And 90% of what's being taught out there, 90% of you charlatans can't trade. So we give you the red flags. Obviously, we know no live trades, edited MT4 screenshots. yeah, we know. We've seen it from your hero from Inner Circle Traders. Red flag number 2, no field confirmations or just stage content as a whole. You ever notice how every guru forgets to record the losses? You think it's just magic, just hocus pocus? If your win rate is higher than your transparency score, you're a performer. You ain't a trader. Let that sink in. Real traders show receipts. Performers show reels. They can't keep it real because they never had a field to begin with. So now we go in. Is it backtest theater or real execution? Yeah, backtesting's cute, but if you don't ever execute and go live, then it's all for naught. The real market hits back. Your backtest, your little cute little backtest. You think you can backtest your way to a Bentley? But in the real market, that slippage hits harder than your rent, than your screenshot, your chart screensaver. Execution is the only metrics that matters. No receipts, then it's no respect. You get no respect. It's all gap, Charlie. Yeah, Charlene. These simulation performers don't want you to trade. They want you to subscribe. They eat off their affiliate links, their broker referral payouts from their introducing broker partnerships, or their copy trade margin splits. selling you a funded challenge, that prop challenge, that account that he's trading on that he got from the prop firm after just passing his prop challenge. Yeah, they're selling you a funded trade. They're not traders, they're marketers, dressed like traders. 95% win rate? Yeah, yeah. On a demo. Are you trading or time traveling, huh? Consistent 5% monthly. That's not a return, that's a Ponzi prequel. No losing weeks. Man, even Buffett has red days. If they don't lose, they're not in the game because losing is a part of trading. It's a cost of doing business. So let me decode the biggest red flag in the fake trading matrix. And guess what? You're not Neo, Charlene. So no dodging drawdowns. Yeah, so those no drawdowns, if they show you 18 wins in a row with no red, no recovery, no heat, it's not real from the straight. You're not watching trading, you're watching choreography. You ballerina, you. Bouncing around on a demo. Ask them. Go ahead, just ask them. Let's see if they'll be honest. What was the unrealized P&L during the trade? Did you scale in? Did you even hedge? How did you calculate your risk and what was your max drawdown? Did you draw your account down 90% just to get 1% on the trade? Just hoping it comes back to your entry? Yeah, it's crickets. You'll hear crickets because they're not showing real trades. They're showing results with no risk. One demo where they go long and one demo where they're shorting. And when they're recording in their mom's basement, they can edit out the losses and cherry pick the trades. Yeah, you heard it here first. So this is where the real money is made, in the affiliate loop, not in the markets, but in your clicks. If your mentor is pushing the broker harder than he's pushing his buy entry on his real execution trading platform, they're not teaching you to trade, they're teaching you to subscribe. They're teaching you to become product inventory. They love to scream, look at this strategy backtest. 80% win rate. But that's easy when you're trading with hindsight. Never showing actual fills on a real account. Because here's the truth. When you cut the cap, backtesting without real market slippage, without real quote variation, without execution latency is all cap. It's spreadsheet comedy, spreadsheet cosplay. And like I said before, you're just sparring with the spreadsheet. Charlene, it's like bragging about winning the NBA Finals on NBA 2K. Or trying to push how your creative player went to the Hall of Fame. All of you charlatans, you deserve to be in the Hall of Shame. Here's the breakdown. All right. Step by step. Every fake live trader that you've ever seen, they record, cut, cherry pick, and then post as gospel. You're not watching a trade, you're watching a trailer. I'm going to say that again for those in the back. You're not watching a trade, you're watching a trailer. It's a reel. These simulation performers don't want you to trade. Again, they want you to subscribe. They eat off the affiliate link. They eat off the followers. They eat off the likes. So if they're not showing you a real feel, it's not really real. It's time to grade these charlatans, okay? We grade these fake trading influencers like a compliance audit. We're talking transparency, fills, drawdown. What is your Sharpe ratio? What's your payoff factor? If they're scoring under a 5, that's a simulation specialist, a simulation sniper. Stop trusting screenshots. Start demanding receipts, real proof. Let's talk about the stage lifestyle content. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Trades by Sci. I'm talking to you, TJR. We talk about screenshots and all these projections on TradingView. Yeah, you simulation snipers. You got your suitcase snacks and stacks. None of these are real trading performers showing trading performance. Just backshots, screenshots, and backtest. That's influencer bait. They're trying to spike your dopamine and trigger the buy now button. Reminder, real traders are low profile. High receipts, low noise. I've been in this market for pretty much 2 decades now, and I'm just now coming out. When I used to be actually out, I would be speaking at keynotes and doing one-on-ones, helping traders that trade real size, real assets under management get out of their funk. So here's your first tool, and I'm going to give you, it's the Guru Forensic Checklist. We call it the Guru Scorecard. All right? And this simple checklist, it should be able to help you stay on the right track and avoid Charlatan and her gang of charlatans. So you'll be able to understand a real trader versus a simulation sniper, a performer in a broker costume. You'll be able to see verified fills versus Zoom call rants, transferable positions versus screen flex of SPX, real platform history versus a simulated superstar in a simulated environment with simulated backtests, custody receipts with timestamps versus commission affiliate links. If you can't request their fills, it ain't really real. You're following fiction. It's not XPX 500, it's SPX fiction. Oh, it's just terrible. But now, fortunately for you, you are now becoming more aware of the traps. Real traders trade receipts. We like to see the data. Give me a level 2. Yeah, the dome, the depth of market, time and sales, broker stamp fields. That's what we screen for. That's what we live for. And we die by it. If I can't get it, then it's diabolical. You can't get my money. But time and sales, depth of market, and broker timestamps is the holy trinity. If they can't show you what the broker shows them, they're not risking real capital. They're farming clout. Here's how you can audit the guru. Ask for timestamp fills. Ask for transferability proof. Ask for who's clearing their trades. So you want some clearinghouse reconciliation. And if they're just showing MetaTrader screenshots with the profit column in the green only, it's gap. They're not traders. They're performers. They're marketers with good props, pulling magic tricks out of a hat. So, is it simulation clout or execution reality? 1 million followers doesn't equal 1 million in P&L. They're trending on YouTube but can't clear 2,000 in a live account. This isn't Wall Street, this is Clout Street. Let's roll out the Guru Scorecard. Click the link down below. And again, like and subscribe for more, of market forensics as we hit them up. Rough, rugged, and raw. I always try to bring you the real, but score them. I want you to decide if you're being taught or being sold. This ain't just about exposing fraud. It's about exposing how you're being conditioned. Condition to follow followers. The blind leading the blind. Condition to celebrate profit screenshots. Condition to think funded equals professional. That's the performance economy. Social media. And it's taking your focus off of what really matters. Real feels, real risk, real edge. Without it, there's nothing. It's a mirage. Again, so download, like, subscribe for more. But before you click follow, right? Before you buy their course, before you sign up for another funded challenge, I want you to ask them, where are the receipts? Where's the drawdowns? What's your payoff factor? What's your Sharpe ratio? Can you transfer your position? If not, then you put them on the chopping block. You now hold court. Download the Guru Scorecard below and use it. Audit every educator that you follow. And remember, if they perform more than they trade, they're not a mentor. They're a marketing funnel. You already know who it is. It's Mr. Wall Street, Big God, Don Wick, signing out of this bitch.